y'all, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. I am Katherine, and on this channel I share easy DIYs, home, and encouraging messages through a creative form. And we are back to continue Declutter My Rental series. If you are new here, I started this series last year. We basically go through our home and declutter, organize, and clean out our home one room at a time. If you have missed any of the videos in this series so far, you can click the link above to go back and check those videos. Now we are back this year and we are going to tackle a place where I put all of my decor. Again, the question, where do I put all my decor? How do I store it, especially living in a small space? It's actually in this closet. This is our only storage area in our entire apartment. So we have to make this work. But let's just say, the closet has seen better days. We're gonna actually go back to what it looked like pre-Christmas, pre-holiday, because it was, we wound the tape right now. This is our closet. Crazy, packed, and junky. I had a plan originally. I would put all of our holiday decor inside of these bins, and I had one bin for every holiday. Christmas is all the way down there that you can see right now because it literally takes up this entire bottom portion. That is my wedding dress. Our chairs when we did a lot of hosting at our home. I don't really care about aesthetics. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I just want this thing to be organized. I want to be able to walk in this closet. First order of business is to remove everything from the closet because it's mostly composed of both my husband and I things, but predominantly decor, packing boxes, and supplies. And then we're going to separate every piece of product into what we are keeping, donating, or throwing out. So we are about 80% through this closet. A lot of stuff that's in here is stored. Extra box foam, a foam for the TV, so when we move, it's things that we do not have to buy again. We can remove these boxes over here. All my decor can be on this side of the room. All of our packing, shipping boxes can be on this side of the room. Let's just start rotating. The plan is to create a functional space by grouping similar or like products, and then take full advantage of the vertical space since we have so many shelving. So whatever we don't have shelves in, we're going to start stacking. I do, however, want to maximize with any organizational products, and this is where we're probably going to get creative, which is why decluttering initially is essential. It's looking good in here. This is what we have left to put inside. Literally taking me back to my retail days working in the stock room. So this first round of our closet clean out was mainly to declutter and create some sort of structure that will hopefully set us up for success in the future. I am so proud of how far we've come with this space and just how much stuff we got rid of. No, it's not aesthetically pleasing with all matching storage, but it's organized and it makes sense to us. And the fact that we're able to walk into this space now is a win. At this point, the holiday season is approaching rapidly. We're about a month away from it. And I have to start pre-thinking how I was going to get all 4 seasons into this closet along with anything else that I'm probably going to pick up, which is how part 2 of this video came about. Since we decluttered on Saturday, this is everything that we're donating. This is trash donating. I want to take one trip, but I don't know if I'll be able to wait. I'm going to probably do this very soon, if not today. We took the most spontaneous trip to Goodwill last night. Stuffed everything in the back of the car. We have 40 minutes to spare before they close. We decluttered 7% of our apartment and it feels so good. Y'all don't even understand the stress level I was dealing with having to be around all of this. Now we went through Halloween, fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas. We are in January right now, so it's like my Christmas tree is still up. That was something new we purchased, and we need to make this fit in here. This is what's left of our Christmas decor. Once I've taken it all down, I managed to fit everything inside of this bin. And then we have some pillows and throw blankets on top. I'm gonna show you exactly how I store them so that they're protected all year round. And with every bin, before I began to decorate, I went through it, set aside what I was keeping, donating, or throwing out. This will help set you up for success in the upcoming season and holidays. This is how our closet looks after holidays. I don't look that bad. I don't look that bad. Okay, it don't look that bad, but it isn't as organized as it originally was. It's a given the holiday season is one of the busiest times of the year, and I am frequently rotating decor and operating between multiple projects, so things were not put back neatly. However, the structure of how I initially organized the space is still there, and the categories are still in place, making placement of new product that much easier. And since the initial declutter, we have brought in new decor, like getting a 7.5-foot Christmas tree, along with decor and supplies for upcoming projects. So this new goal is to straighten out the closet, restack the seasonal bins, pick things up off the floor, rotate furniture pieces and decor to make room for the new product. The space ain't that big, babe.
You put it right in the hallway.
Okay, well, can you put it right there? Okay, I have to move. I gotta move, y'all. So as you can tell, this is a very small space. It's just a matter of moving stuff around and brainstorming. Made it work before, we're gonna make it work again. Other than the Christmas tree, this is all that we have left to put inside of the closet. So basically our tree is gonna go right here. And I think anybody living in a small space, you are struggling for space, can definitely use these. These are vacuum storage bags, and the idea is to store items in them to protect and or save on space. So you insert what it is you need to put away, remove the top and suck all the air out of it with a vacuum, which will flatten out whatever it is that you put inside the bag. And to secure it, seal it at the top. I personally chose not to remove too much of the air because I wanted to maintain the plump in my pillows. Hey y'all, so it's a different day, another Sunday, another outfit, but we are finally going to tackle this closet once and for all. Our tree bag came in, so we're going to be taking down our Christmas tree finally. But this bag is massive. It actually holds a 9-foot tree. I can basically fit in this bag. The good thing is that it's a bag and it's not a cardboard, so we're able to roll it, tuck it, tighten it, push the tree together to fit it in the closet. After fumbling around with this tree bag longer than I had planned, I'm currently realizing it just won't work here because it took up so much floor space, leaving the items that were there without any other place to go, posing a much larger problem. And after multiple failed attempts to try and make room for it, we decided it just was not best to use it. So change of plans. The Christmas tree bag is a really good idea if you have the space for it. So much air in the bag that no matter how many times we try to get all the air out, it still puffs back up. Essentially just took up way too much of the space on this side. I realized that the Christmas tree box actually fits here and it'll have its own space, giving us all of this space back. Sometimes you gotta try to see what works, and that's okay. I got this gift wrapper organizer because we do have a bit of gift wrapping and some crafting paper that I have all inside of this bark bin. So this is the bark, and I have wrapping paper in here, craft paper, and some backdrops in here, but as you can see, it doesn't fit anymore in there. I realized that I had some of my florals inside of it. I have some more back there for different seasons, so I think I'm gonna put it in the bark and replace the wrapping paper and craft paper inside of the storage bag. I guess how much this was. So originally it was $11.99. They had a sale on it, so it was $5.99, and then I had a Kohl's reward coupon that you can put towards any purchase without a minimum. So I ended up paying $1.07 for this. Once you start placing things back into the space, separate it by categories. Even if you do not have the wiggle room to do so, separated by categories and or like items would definitely help keep your space organized. So let's say you're gonna bring more stuff in, it has a section for it instead of just placing it in there. If I kept both of these sides with decor, I have the mindset, oh, I can just throw it in there. But no, I have one side dedicated to decor and one side dedicated to boxing and shipping and packaging. So I have a mental note what can or cannot fit. Decorate solely just for summer. Spring and summer kind of lives together, so I got a medium-sized bin. Kind of set it up that way so that it could work in my favor, and it's been working really well, especially for the last 5 years. And then underneath it is our tool bag on wheels with everything we built, every DIY. We have everything in this one bag, maximizing our horizontal space. A temporary solution for our reefs. Vulnerable moment. I wasn't sure if you guys would visually like it because it's not Pinterest worthy, but it makes sense. It's relatable.